Good morning, dear followers, guys and girls. Today we're cooking my Uncle Clement recipe omelette, the amazing omelette. We start with the onions. So, you chopping the onions properly, and be careful your fingers or you have a real reason for crying. So, be careful, okay? You chop it in cubes like that, but it's up to you. This is what I'm doing, okay? And you put it in a bowl. If you have 3 containers like that, it's fine. Don't spread food everywhere in the kitchen. This is my suggestion. And here we go. Now it's time for the leeks. I chop it in 2 parts like that. And I chop it like this in cubes. And be careful the fingers, of course. Here we go. Very good. Look the colors. Very amazing colors. Perfectly. Very good. Smell also. Perfect. And now it's time for the spring onions. In the omelette, it's perfect. An omelette without the spring onions is not an omelette, in my opinion. Careful the fingers. And remove the elastic. Yes, that's really good. In case you want to heating the elastic, it's up to you, but I think it tastes not so good. You put the oil in the pan. Don't put too much fire. This is an electrical stove, but low power in the fire, okay? Some flower leaves and stock cubes. I put 1. If you want to put 2, it's up to you. Everything is organic. Soy sauce. Some people use salt. Some people use soy sauce. In my opinion, it's better with the soy sauce. And you mix it properly. Here we go. Look at that. So good, in my opinion. Yes, look. And now you put the onions. Very good, very good, very good. Fantastic. A little bit water. Not too much. Uncle Clement recipe from the mountains. Yeah. Mix it properly so the food don't burning. I use the steel pan because it's the best in my opinion, and the cast iron pans. So it's really good for cooking. In my opinion, is the best. Now we put the leeks. So good, so beautiful. Look at that. Smells good. I cooking this omelette for my girlfriend. My girlfriend asked me, "Oh, you can cooking that fantastic omelette?" Yes, yes, yes. Of course, this recipe was just for 1 people, but you can see maybe it's better split it for 2 people. Now the broccoli, corn, carrots, fantastic. Look the colors, amazing colors, the powerful of the vegetables. Here we go. You can put also some extra spices if you want, like black pepper or chili pepper. It's up to you. Some people put some curry. I don't like it too much, but it's also good. And here we go. Now you can understand because it's better to split it for 2 people. My Uncle Clement used 11 eggs. But it's up to you. You can use 5 eggs, 10 eggs, 6 eggs. In this case, I put 11 eggs. Some parmesan, a bit of cream. Here we go. And you mix it. You have to shake it properly, really good, deeply, so all the products are mixed together. And if it's too fluffy for you, too liquid, you can put a spoon of flour, and it's fine. So it's just a little bit more hard. It's not so liquid anymore, you can see. It's much better now. I'm so good, I'm so good! What I can say? I don't know. Well, now you put just a little bit oil on this kitchen paper. It's a special paper for cooking, you can see. And you spread the oil around. You can use also butter, but I finished the butter, so I use just a little bit of olive oil, so the food don't sticky on the paper. That is the secret. Here we go, look. It's so beautiful. Shake it just a little bit. Maybe after this omelette your belly shaking just a little bit, I don't know. I hope not. Cut the extra paper so you don't burning that in the oven. So there's no risk. And that's it. Here we go. That's it. That's all. Put it in the oven, 25 minutes, 25 minutes, not more. 175, 180 degrees. And this is the result. Yeah, my girlfriend hand. Very good hand. And we see what happened now. Wow, look at that.